He mihi mahana kia koutou kua tai mai nei. Kia ora, my name is Pham, and I am absolutely delighted to have been re-elected in the humming centre of Ōhoko, the Christchurch Central Ward, alongside my colleague Nicole Marshall. My background is in freshwater ecology, conservation and resource management in both the public and not-for-profit sector. I'm here because we humans are not always the sharpest creatures in the shed, and we have created our current situation where we now face a climate and ecological emergency, which is no longer on the horizon. It is upon us. I believe it's time we recognised that love and compassion for each other, future generations and our environment must be our core drivers of how we set up and operate our society if we are not only to survive, but ideally thrive as a species here on planet Earth, our only Earth. My drive for being on Regional Council is simple: to prioritise the common good of both current and future generations, where the fundamentals of clean, safe drinking water, rivers, lakes and estuaries we can swim in and gather food from, a stable climate and an ecologically resilient environment are placed above short-term private gain and profit from pollution. My hope for what that looks like in the council term ahead is that we move beyond ideas, policies and programs based on polluting a little less or consuming a little less or putting a fence around the morsels of biodiversity that remain, and instead, guided by our communities, start a wholesale onslaught of love, restoration and innovation with the goal of creating a society that not only doesn't destroy, but actually restores nature. Critical to this is the recognition of our history, the need for sustained restitution to mana whenua, and all of our responsibilities in upholding te tiriti o Waitangi. But in case it sounds like I'm getting carried away, I'm under no illusion as to the scale of the massive challenge ahead of us. Be it climate disruption, be it continued biodiversity loss, be it nitrate pollution of our drinking water, be it crippling debt that threatens to stifle innovation, be it huge greenhouse gas emissions and growing congestion of our transport system. We cannot leave these problems for our kids and grandkids to solve. And I am daring to believe that this council can be a turning point in delivering them the future they deserve. How far we'll get on this will depend on how far our communities push and pull us, and how ambitious we're prepared to be as a council. So please keep talking with us, working with us, and challenging us. Kia ora.